I love you. And when I tell you, why don't you listen? You say that you love me, but I don't know what to do. 'Cause one minute you saying that you love me, but then there you go on the phone talking to these bitches, and I know I'm right. You ain't gotta be there 'cause you know I cry. I be crying in your face to see eye to eye, but do you know what I'm saying? And all the shit I do, I want you to know that I love you, and I will give my heart to you. I wish that you listen and understand me. I wanna be the one to have your baby. I wanna be the one that's driving crazy, but I don't know why you doing what you do, 'cause you making me mad. Am I supposed to run or I'm supposed to hide? 'Cause I don't know how you feel inside. You don't have to tell me when you sad when you mad. So I'm supposed to guess, and I don't like that. 'Cause it's the hardest thing to do. I want you to know I will go crazy, and I will understand that I could be the one that you call your baby, or I could be the one that you call your friend. It doesn't matter, 'cause I can't take it, and I'm tired of all these games. I tell you like this, quit it playing and grow the fuck up. You say that you only fuck with grown ass bitches. Well, I'ma tell you something. I'm not that grown, but I can't keep it real. I'm just gonna be me if you know how I feel. So why you gotta play when you know you got something so good? You say that you wouldn't trade me for the world. Boy, when you say that shit, my ears curl. 'Cause I know you lying, just like they say. Boy, I don't got time for this shit, no way. I am 17, and how old is you? You act like you is nothing but two. You wanna play games, but a real bitch don't. And a real man keep it real. So why you gotta lie if you know how I feel? So why you gotta cry when you don't keep it real? So why you gotta be that opposite of? 'Cause you know that I only mess with real. 'Cause I'm a real life bitch, and you know that the nigga I'm fucking with, he gotta be real, 'cause he can't be fake. I don't fuck with fake niggas, oh no way. But here he go, 1 minute he real, but then when he gets with his friends, his whole personality and attitude change. That's what I call fake. 'Cause no matter what you do, no matter where you go, you will still be that same person. That's just like me. If I go to church and act like a girly church girl, well, that would be fake, 'cause my attitude changed. That's why I'm still the same, and no one can change me, and he's telling me I made him that way. Boy, get for real, I thought you was real, a real nigga, only make yourself you feel, 'cause I told him that I'm a real bitch, and the only thing I could do is make me. I'ma be better, and I'ma be the best. I'm trying to be the best girl that you ever had, but you won't let me, 'cause you keep stopping me. But then when you stop me, you bring me back. Why you gotta play games? I don't got time for that. I'm a real ass bitch, no fake. I'ma tell you like the way you do. I don't wanna lose you, but I will do what I got to. And you know who I'm talking about, 'cause I'm not Mr. Loose no more. I'm finna be that bitch in that #1. I know this might